Hey there. In this tutorial we will learn about Database Options Data Store. First, go to a form in a form builder. Drag and drop a select box to the canvas. Click on it to edit. Load data from, choose Database Wizard. Default data source. Select a table, let's choose Joget's user directory which is named dir_user. Preview to test it out. Nice. This is how it looks like in the database. Let's choose another Joget table, the user group, which is called a dir_group. Preview. Well done. Try choose another options requiring form element. For example, radio or checkbox. Configure them accordingly. It works. This is the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.